Right, so I just real quickly want to hit the highlights of your syllabus. You can find the syllabus on the course Canvas page, either under important course information or under the syllabus. First, this section is MH110K, college algebra. It's an in-person class. I'm sorry we couldn't meet in person first. In general, we'll be meeting room 39 on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 1:30 to 2:45. My name's Ed Moulton. My office is in the top floor of the library. Basically, if you go to the main library desk, there's a staircase right up by it. If you take that staircase up and then walk back towards the back of the library, my office is on the left there around the corner. I'm there every morning before I start teaching classes at 11. Try and get in by 9:45, be there for around an hour. 9:45 to 10:45 in the morning, every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. On Wednesdays, I stay late from 3 to 6, and those are the days you can get me personally. There is drop-in specific math tutoring in the library through the Learning Center. That's available Tuesdays 3 to 6, Wednesdays 12:30 to 2:30, 11 to 2. If you need me, you can always email me at emoten@. As far as your required resources, calculator is definitely something I'd prefer you to have. I do bring some to class for students to borrow, but ideally, you would either have one you can borrow, or if you need to get a new one, what I recommend is this TI-30X2S. It's the one that I hand out in class. Um, it costs about $12-15 if you get it on Amazon. I also listed the book here, but you don't need to buy the book. You get a version of the ebook with the class, so you can always click and see the actual pages. If somebody likes to have a book, you can order them at a discount through Cengage, but I don't recommend it. I don't think you need a textbook. You skip through these learning objectives down to how you'll be assessed, I should say. First way is Cengage Online Homework. That's 20% of your grade. There's about 3 to 4 assignments a week. I would say in total, it's about 30 to 40 assignments. I expect them to take a half hour each. You definitely want to keep up with these. You get 5 attempts at each homework question. It's something that you're going to be doing to kind of show that, yes, you understood what we do in class will be a group work. Collectively, all the group works total are worth 10% of your grade. Group work, I'll provide an answer key to when you come to class. You'll get a paper that you work through at the end of class, and then you'll be responsible for inputting those answers into a quiz on this. All out of 10 points. If you come to class and do the work, you should leave with all the answers. Get 10 out of 10 quizzes. Another 10% of your grade is based on attendance. Based on this formula, you get the full 10 out of 10 or 100% if you have 0 to 4 absences. It's 5 to 9 times, you get 7.5 out of 10. If your absence 10 to 14 times, you get 5 out of 10. The largest portion of your grade is the tests. 5 tests in this class worth 8% of your grade each, so it's a total of 40% of your grade. Each of these tests, you'll get a full sample test, 2 full sample tests, I should say, sample test A and sample test B. They look exactly like the real test, exactly like that. They have the same length, they have the same number of questions, difficulty, but obviously different numbers. The goal is for you to know exactly what's coming to you before you take the final exams worth 20% of your grade. It also replaces your lowest test grade. If you get a higher grade on the final exam than your lowest test grade, it's really worth up to 28. The largest individual component is the test. This is the general matter grading scale. And the last thing on the syllabus, the most useful thing, is a review of all the dates in the class, what's covered and what's due. This due column tells you when group works are due by, when homeworks are due on website, and when we have tests. Extra practice problems before we did website online homework. These were the problems that I used to have students turn in. They're They're no longer required, but I leave them on the syllabus because they're a good indication of extra problems with the tutor if you're looking for problems like what we're. Those pages still refer to the same pages that are going to be in your ebook, so you can still go there if you want to catch up on extra problems and get extra practice. That's pretty much everything I need to say about the syllabus. I usually do pretty well keep to the dates on the syllabus, so do expect those tests to be on those exact dates. For instance, you can see the test one is taken on the 30th. Thing I want to say to you about this. Thank